If your hair is completely straight, there's one thing your hair is missing, and it's not a product. It's not genetics either. Most guys never fix it, so their hair stays flat forever. By the end of this video, you'll know the exact routine that takes flat, straight hair and gives it real wave and curl. The same method barbers don't usually tell you about, because it has nothing to do with a haircut. But first, you need to understand why your hair is straight in the first place. Because if you skip this part, everything else you try will fail. You've probably tried the sea salt spray. Maybe you scrunched your hair in the shower because a video told you to. Maybe you even tried training your hair by sleeping on it wet, and nothing happened. Or worse, your hair just got frizzy and dry, and you gave up and went back to the same flat haircut. That's not because texture is impossible for you, it's because you were missing the one variable that actually determines whether any of those techniques work. Let's start. Part 1. Why your hair is straight. Before we fix it, you need to understand the problem. Hair texture is determined by two things: the shape of your hair follicle and how your hair is trained to dry. Round follicle equals straight hair. Oval/asymmetric follicle equals wavy or curly hair. Here's the part nobody tells you. You can't change your follicle shape, but you can train the hair that grows out of it to behave curlier by changing how it dries, how healthy it is, and how you style it. Genetics set your ceiling. Technique gets you there faster. Part 2. The 3 things killing your curl potential. 1. Heat damage. If you've ever used a straightener, blow dryer on high heat, or even towel dried aggressively, your hair cuticle is damaged. Damaged hair equals straighter, frizzier hair. Curls need healthy, flexible strands to hold their shape. 2. Wrong shampoo. Regular shampoo strips natural oils and weighs hair down straight. You need sulfate-free shampoo. It cleans without flattening your texture. 3. Air drying it wrong. This is the biggest one. If you let your hair air dry without scrunching or shaping it, it dries in whatever direction gravity pulls it, which is straight down. Part 3. The actual method. Step 1. Get a curl-friendly cut. Ask your barber for layers, not a buzzed-down straight cut. Layers remove weight, and weight is what pulls hair straight. This alone can reveal 30 to 40% more natural texture. Step 2. Switch your shampoo routine. Use a sulfate-free shampoo 2 to 3 times a week max. Follow with a lightweight conditioner and apply it mid-shaft to ends. Never roots, or it'll weigh your hair down. Step 3. The curl cream plus scrunch method. While hair is still soaking wet, this is critical, not damp, wet. Apply a small amount of curl cream or sea salt spray. Flip your head upside down, scrunch hair upward into your palm. Repeatedly for 30 to 60 seconds, let it air dry, or diffuse on low heat. This is the single highest impact step in this entire video. Skipping it is why 90% of guys give up thinking they don't have curly hair. Step 4. Sleep protection. Cotton pillowcases suck moisture out of your hair overnight and undo everything. Switch to a silk or satin pillowcase. It's a small change with a genuinely noticeable difference within a week. Step 5. Stay consistent for 2 to 3 weeks. Your hair has straight memory from years of drying flat. It takes roughly 2 to 3 weeks of consistent scrunch drying for it to start holding curl pattern on its own, even before you touch product. Part 4. What to avoid. Don't brush curly/wavy hair when dry. It breaks the curl pattern and creates frizz, only to tangle in the shower with conditioner in. Don't touch your hair constantly once it's dried. This is what causes frizz, not the curl itself. Don't overdo product. A dime-sized amount is enough. More product equals crunchy, fake-looking curls. So to recap, get layers, switch to sulfate-free shampoo, scrunch product in while soaking wet, protect it at night with silk, and give it 2 to 3 weeks of consistency. This isn't about forcing hair to be something it's not. It's about finally letting your natural texture actually show up. If this helped you, smash that subscribe button. I'm dropping a full grooming and looksmaxxing series covering skin, jawline, and style next, and you don't want to miss it. Drop a comment with your current hair type, and I'll tell you exactly what routine fits you. See you in the next one.